Hi everyone, here we've got WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome. And let's tap on this three dots icon. Now let's choose the history. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously visited websites. In order to delete only one of it, simply tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it simply disappears. In order to remove all of them, click on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from all time to, for example, last 7 days. And if you're ready, click on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been successfully cleared. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.